Good night, little moon. Moon? Hey guys, morning dance party!
Spin around, touch the ground.
Wow!
Spin time!
How's this look? Moon disappeared again!
Ava, honey, what happened?
I woke up and the bowl was empty.
Okay, breath, we will figure this out.
Fish can't walk, Ava.
Unless it's evolving.
Evolving!
You guys never believe me!
Sweetheart, fish do not leave the bowl at night.
Exactly. They only do that during daytime.
Ben!
I still want to know how your socks disappear every week.
Laundry rooms are magic portals.
Okay, but seriously, why is the floor wet?
The fish is evolving faster than expected.
We are definitely not raising a super fish.
You don't know that. What if Moon is secretly a ninja?
That would explain everything.
What if Moon gets lonely?
Moon escapes again. I'm catching him.
You can't catch him. He's sensitive.
He's a fish.
He has feelings.
Every investigation needs emergency cookies.
It's midnight.
Fear burns calories. What if Moon leaves because he's unhappy here? Sometimes things wander around. That doesn't mean they don't love home.
No way.
Okay, if I disappear, tell people I was brave.
Actually, maybe don't.
What are you doing down here?
He's using the pipes?
Moon, you almost gave me a heart attack. I saw glowing footprints. Moon went into a secret vent. Ben, it was just a dream.
Believe you, Ben. So the fish escaped, used secret pipes, and entered forbidden tunnels.
Yes.
Honestly, I respect him.
Moon brought this back. Maybe Moon found treasure. Or evidence.
Yes, this is officially a detective movie now.
This looks really old.
I've seen this symbol before.
Where?
I don't remember.
Long ago, this building connected to underground water tunnels.
There are tunnels?
Most were closed years ago.
You kids ask too many questions. That's because adults explain nothing.
He has a point.
There are tunnels under us right now?
Oh, yes. Very old ones.
This is the best day of my life!
No.
But sometimes, people still hear water moving inside walls at night.
I knew the fish was haunted! Hey, it's not funny!
Tonight, we hunt the criminal fish. He's not criminal.
He illegally entered the hallway.
Honestly, I respect the effort.
I think Moon gets lonely at night. Maybe he's trying to show us something.
I told you! It's leading us down! Let's go!
Moon is calling us.
We are absolutely not crawling into mysterious underground tunnels.
Too late. Adventure chose me.
If we survive this, I'm telling everyone at school.
There will be no if. We are turning around immediately.
This is awesome.
Absolutely not. I think Moon wants us to follow.
Kids were really down here.
Moon always comes back. He came back for us too.
Someone must have been scared down here.
But they weren't alone. When I was little, people told stories about a glowing fish in these tunnels. You knew?
I thought it was only a story.
You never told us this!
I didn't think magical fish stories were important parenting information. This fish has helped more people than I have.
I think he remembers people.
Maybe some places remember people too.
That belonged to my mother.
So technically, we discovered secret underground tunnels.
We are heroes now.
No, we are absolutely never doing that again.
That's how he comes home.
So Moon was protecting the building this whole time?
Maybe some mysteries just like helping people.
You can keep your secrets if you want.
Okay, but if he starts paying rent, I'm charging extra.
This apartment feels different now.
Maybe it always was.
Moon is family now.